Blessing Lakama Mr. Blue.
Jibbah Royal is an upcoming dancehall artist. He was born to Fadzwa Brian Muchipi and raised in the urban areas of Chipinge. Education. He attended Gaza Primary and High School. Popularity. He started his music journey while he was still at secondary level in 2015. He made several single collections and albums from 2015 up to present 2022. He is still one of the best Chipinge dancehall vocalists since he came up in the industry. Many people used to call him a Say Kala's copycat since his voice links to that of Say Kala's, but the truth is that he was inspired by him. He released his hit song Chippa Papa Dance 2015, which was recorded by Ozone Music. Jibbah Royal did some collaborations locally and nationally with the likes of G Sniffer, Fortin B, Slammer Boy the Late, Mr. Amen, Saint Boss, Dancehall Professor and Bonnie T. Little known by then, he collaborated with Tipsy Mabandati, the one from Mabandati clan of Say Kala's, the song entitled Indinodara, produced by Mr. Click Producer. Singles collection. Tungamirai Prod by Mr. Click 2018. Mabururu Prod by Mr. Click 2019. Masanhi Prod by Mr. Click 2020. Albums. Mababa Yako Prod by Mr. Click and DJ Nara 2021. Mutamwa Prod by Mr. Click 2022, latest. Singles. Chippa Papa Dance. Mababu Yangu. Hadina Pressure. Tino Vapa Mariwo. Mind You. Indino Naka. Dear Mr. Royal. Seal Magneto Youths Dis. Facebook page. At Jibbah Royal Music. Kindly follow. Blessing Lakama Mr. Blue on the all social media platforms for the latest celebrity updates.
Powered by Blessing Lakama Mr. Blue.